Class number 2 is all about the rolling out and the wrapping in. So we started off with a armless send out. So I'm coming, I'm coming backwards, I come forwards, and then I travel backwards, and you just sort of magically roll out. Very cool. The roll back, I can interrupt that. 3 and 4, stretch, wind, back to closed.
So this turns it into an 8 beat for my footwork. It works best if I don't assume anything, just feel like it's the first 6 beat move. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Interrupted, replace and triple back. So if Bruce really sticks to his footwork and keeps close, this is a moving connection. It doesn't kind of slap onto that hip and make me want to back up into it. It's actually definitely rolling me in the direction, so timing of that is crucial.
When I'm boinging back, if I didn't boing back, Jane would just travel off in that direction. I'm trying to go with your turn and then stretch and boing you back to close. The variation was me coming around in front instead by going 1, 2, 3 and 4, stretch, boing, boom, boom. So we've got a send out variation, sort of 8 beat interrupted armless send out. From here, right to right, we did some teapots. We are now teapots. Variation number 1 was 2 6 beats, 2, 3, 4, triple step, so it's like a tuck turn on the end of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, out, in, out you go. Variation number 2 is an 8 beat one. A 1, 2, 3 and 4, a back step, boom, so just go straight backwards and forwards and that sends you back out again.
Final one was using followers left hand, leaders right. The slightly unusual hand hold.
1, 2, 3, 4. And we decided that boinging straight back out was a little bit not as pleasant as making it 8 count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's loads of variations on that, coming out sugar pushes or slides to the side, or loads of things you can play around with that. And that was about it.
The important thing for followers is keep moving. There's a big impetus to want to just kind of stop here, find there's a leader in the way and not roll right in. Because just keep going as usual all the way until something stops us, in this case the leaders are. And then you won't get told off by Sue Freeman.
Oh, right. I was going to say I wouldn't tell you off. Thank you.